Outsourcing is never a one-size-fits-all approach, especially when it comes to hiring dedicated talent. Questions like, will they understand my business needs? How do I know if they're the right fit? Or what if they don't meet my expectations are all so common and even valid. At Mavlers, we've built a dedicated talent model that addresses all of these concerns head-on. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire onboarding process so that you know exactly what to expect when you partner with us. Hi, I'm Risha, and in this video, we'll cover why our dedicated resource model is perfect for long-term needs, how onboarding processes work with us, and what to expect once your resource is in place. Let's start with why we have this dedicated resource model. If you're a brand or an agency looking to extend your team without the hassles of hiring in-house, our dedicated resources engagement model is the ideal solution. Here's why. You'll get access to specialized talent with hard-to-find skills that's tough to hire and retain in-house. It's a managed model where our account managers and subject matter experts oversee the work, ensuring quality and outcomes without your direct involvement. And then there's minimal oversight, meaning after the initial knowledge transfer, your team can focus on the core priorities while we handle the execution. Finally, you enjoy increased productivity and cost efficiency, meaning you enjoy the benefits of a skilled team member without the overhead of managing payroll, training, or operations. Now, let me walk you through our 7-step onboarding process to show you how we make this model work seamlessly. We start with understanding the fundamentals. This includes your industry niche and the nature of your business, goals and expectations for the resource, preferred communication channels, and project management tools. This initial alignment ensures that we're fully prepared to meet your unique needs. Next, we send over a detailed questionnaire to help us map out your specific requirements. This sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once you've completed the questionnaire, we'll hop on a call with your account manager and subject matter expert. This is where we deep dive into your goals and challenges and finalize the engagement model. We then share our master rate card for a general idea of costs. Final pricing depends on the scope of work and the resource requirements, ensuring that complete transparency that you always seek. The SME carefully matches the right resource to your needs by evaluating technical skills and expertise, communication capabilities, compatibility with your project requirements. You also get a 7-day free trial to ensure that the resource is a good fit before committing. Once you're satisfied with the resource, we finalize the contract, NDAs, SOWs, SLAs, and confirm the contract commencement date based on the resource availability. Finally, we introduce your SME and dedicated resources in a kickoff call. This is where we align on the milestones, timelines, and expectations. Ensure the smooth transfer of your project to the execution team. From here, your account manager ensures everything stays on track. Now, let me quickly address some of your common questions. How do you ensure the resource is the right fit? The SME carefully picks a resource to suit your exact requirement. Question 2. What happens if the resource doesn't meet expectations? Well, if performance doesn't improve after feedback, the SME will replace the resource at no additional cost. Question 3. Do you offer a free trial? Yes. We provide a 7-day trial to test compatibility. Question 4. How do you manage leaves and urgent tasks? Well, we ensure tasks are covered even if the resource takes leave, so your timelines are never affected. Finally, if you're wondering why partner with our Mavericks, it's because we offer resources tailored to your specific needs, we adapt to your workflows and tools, and finally, KPIs, feedback loops, and SME oversight ensures consistent results. We mean it when we say that Mavlers is built on proven experience, unmatched expertise, and a relentless drive for growth. From everything we've discussed, we're certain that you now have a clearer understanding of how well we fit together. If you're ready to start your project with us, or if you have any questions, fill out the contact form and our team will connect with you in the next 24 to 48 hours. Are you excited? Because we can't wait to bring your vision to life.